So we're getting ready to cut the housing. That's the first cut. And we're using a 7/4 inch steel saw to make this cut. So we're cutting a heavy side of the diminished edge housing right now. We're going to leave the line as we cut down there and finish that off with our chisel. Alright, we're cutting the short side of the diminished edge housing. We've got a long side and a short side because this is actually an offset tie beam. Set 1.5 inches off the reference face with a tenon with 1.5 inches thick. And then we're working on finishing this off with a handsaw. So it's a really pretty quick to rough it out with the
look at that.
Nice. Rough that.
Money.
Ugh, no, it's gonna be a pain in the butt. So this is just clean up across, right. And not that I don't want this to touch. Technically, it would be from this face would be the best. That's reference.
Edge to edge.
I want the corners, my edges, to touch.
Oh yeah.
Not necessarily, but the middle can be dished ever so slightly.
Do you have to?
This side.